Today we're answering a question that's been making headlines. Is Mozilla Firefox selling your personal data? The short answer from Mozilla is no, but the full story is a little more complicated, and if you use Firefox every day, it's worth understanding exactly what changed. Earlier in 2025, Mozilla updated Firefox Terms of Use and Privacy (FAQ). Around the same time, it removed a long-standing statement that said, "We never sell your personal data." That simple wording change caught a lot of attention because for many users, it sounded like Firefox might be backing away from its privacy promise. So what actually happened? Mozilla explained that the change was not because it suddenly started selling your personal data. Instead, the company said the legal definition of selling data is different depending on where you live, especially in places like California. In other words, privacy laws can define sale very broadly, and Mozilla said that made it difficult to keep making an absolute statement that would apply everywhere. That's an important distinction. When most people hear selling data, they imagine a company handing over your name, email address, browsing history, or other identifiable information to an advertiser or data broker. Mozilla says that is not what Firefox is doing. According to the company, it does not sell your personal data in that ordinary sense. However, there is a bit more nuance here. Mozilla does share some data with partners to support certain Firefox features. For example, that can include optional sponsored content on the Firefox new tab page and sponsored search suggestions. Mozilla says the data used for these features is either aggregated, stripped of identifying information, or handled with privacy-preserving technologies. So while Firefox is not selling your personal data in the way most users would think of it, Mozilla does acknowledge limited data sharing in order to support some features and partnerships. That's likely why the wording changed. The company wanted its public statements to better match modern privacy laws, instead of using a blanket promise that could be interpreted differently in different regions. If you're wondering whether this should worry you, the best approach is to look at your own privacy expectations. Firefox still positions itself as a privacy-focused browser, but like most modern software, it does use some data to power features, improve services, and support sponsored content where applicable. The key is understanding what data is collected, how it's used, and whether you're comfortable with those settings. If privacy matters to you, it's always a good idea to review Mozilla's Privacy Notice, check your Firefox settings, and decide whether the defaults match what you want. You can also customize many privacy options inside the browser, including tracking protection, sponsored content, and search-related features. So, to answer the big question one more time, is Mozilla Firefox selling your personal data? Based on Mozilla's public statements, the answer is no in the ordinary sense of selling identifiable user data. But Mozilla does share certain data in limited ways, and that's why the wording around its privacy policy changed. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Firefox news, privacy updates, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.